paws are there, let's put them back with love and care. Kitty meows and brings a bin, we toss them in and wear a grin. Toys on floor go in their place, we clean it all with happy face. Kitty helps with tiny paws, we clap and cheer with loud applause. Books are stacked not on the ground, let's line them up and turn around. Kitty jumps and helps to stack, we tidy up and pat her back. Clothes are here and shoes are there, let's fold and sort with gentle care. Kitty rolls the socks so sweet, we make our room look super neat. Crayons, paper, all must go back to shelves, we all know. Kitty sings a tiny song, we clean while dancing all along. We sweep the floor and dust the shelf, we do it all just like an elf. Kitty spins with a little broom, we clean and play around the room. It's clean up time, we love to do with kitty cats and me and you. Clean and shiny, fresh and bright, our room now feels just right. Time to make the bed so nice, pull the sheets and tuck it twice. Kitty jumps with sleepy eyes, we yawn and stretch beneath the skies. Wash our hands, dry with